Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will explain the trades that we provide in both the free group and the VIP group. For those who are new here and want to join us but don't know how to participate, you can text us on Telegram. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. All the signals are completely free, so feel free to explore. Now let's start the video. We provide signals in both the free group and the VIP group. This session started in the VIP group because it's a Sunday market. On Sundays, we trade in the OTC market, so all signals are provided in the VIP group. This was the first trade we provided in the VIP group on Ethereum OTC for a call side upside move. Here you can see that the previous candle closed above the moving average. There was also an uptrend, and the moving average was acting as support. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and we got an entry around this level. This trade was a clear win. Let's move on to the second trade, which we provided on GameStop OTC for a call side move. There was a clear uptrend, and the previous candle closed above the moving average. The moving average was also supporting the trend. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this trade was also a clean win. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided on Alibaba OTC for a call side move. You can see that the previous candle was taking support from the moving average. There was a strong uptrend, and the moving average was present. Additionally, there was a support level. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was another clean win. So we completed 3 non-martingale trades successfully. If you want to access these types of trades, you can text us on Telegram at B-Binary Support. The link is available in the description, so go and check it out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.